Black in the checking in. I want to tell you something this dude just told me, man. Y'all guys, I'm telling you, I know you want a woman bad, but don't just give her all your shit just so you can say, oh, I got a woman at home. So this dude just told me, oh man, I met this nice woman. I said, you mean that? Well, she was homeless. I said, she was homeless? Yeah, but she took care of herself. And I moved her in, put her name on my checking account, and everything been going good, man. I mean, she's a good girl. Today he come in and say, man, you know this bitch didn't come and pick me up yesterday. I said, what, why not? She got your car, don't she? Yeah, you know what she told me? Well, I told you I wasn't gonna come and get you. He was like, what the fuck are you doing? You ain't even got a job, you ain't doing something. Why you can't come pick me up? He said they argued all night. And this morning he woke up, she was a new person. Came and dropped his ass off at work again. Hey man, y'all got to stop doing that shit for some pussy, bro. For real.